covered? This is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new social media top 10 countdown. Number 10, Gully Chin versus Ninja Man. Oh my gosh, so I was minding my own business when I saw this particular post on Dancehall Shade Room. Shauna Chin, Gully Bop, one time woman, ex-girlfriend, did comment on a particular post and somebody comment and say, basically she said she wouldn't there with Ninja Man. So somebody say, oh, you for style Ninja Man and you used to date Gully Bop. And Gully Bop uglier than Ninja Man. And so Shauna Chin came to Gully Bop's defense and said, no, she don't think so. She thinks a Gully Bop cuter than Ninja Man. And I don't comment on this, but people, let me know what you say. You think say Ninja Man better looking than Gully Bop? Who you with there with ladies? Ninja Man or Gully Bop? If you had a choice, which one of them you could have stomach for the rest of your life? Comment below. Number 9, funeral or dance? Oh, people, Jamaica land we love. Never in my life, I lie, me kind of say them something already. But never in my life, me think some would I hear Yanni Curvy Diva single.
Them I got me through the life I live.
A play I want funeral. Take a look. I don't know if I want mate and throw a word for another mate where they are do better. Number 8, Sizzla bike. Okay, so Mr. Sizzla Kalonji took to the streets of downtown. He took it to the streets of downtown to show his amazing street biking flicks and turn skills then.
In a one go. Bang it. Stay like, give up. Up. 1, 2. Up and running.
Big up on your talent, I'm glad to say no police never stop you. And now check out the random video of the week.
What is? What is this? What is?
Number 7, Gage versus Chronix. So, Chronix was on live recently some time ago and I guess one of his fans asked would he do a collab with Gage. You know Gage, the artist was saying. So anyway, Chronix was asked if he would do a collab with Gage and this is what he said.
We're not a fool man about Gage, and I idiot. You can't come to me about Gage.
Tobac's foot. Gage never liked that answer at all. Him find it said this was highly disrespectful and him since then come out on a bunch of interviews and basically I say yo, if I'm gonna style me gonna style him too.
Come on man, you gotta say you do a song with Alkaline and Kartel, but you not do a song with me? Like really? But if you're not gonna do a song with me because me sing down in a throat, remember say them sing about brata too. So if I that make you go do it, you're a wagonist. You know what I mean? And it make me feel so Rasta people are one of the dirtiest people in Jamaica. Chronix, a fool that one.
So what are your thoughts, Burritos? Do you think that Chronix had every right to just say him, share him disapproval with Gage? And do you think that Gage did him right for kind of tell Chronix to go chuck off as well? Comment below. Alright, so people, it's now time for the big up segment. And first up, I have to say big up. Congratulations to Shelly on Fraser Price on having her first child, a boy baby by the name of Zion. Congratulations, Shelly. And I can't wait to see you back on the track. Next, I have to big up this year song. Remember some time ago on the social media countdown, I told you about this honeymoon bedroom song from this artist called K. O'Neal.
Tell me, am I loving you right, baby? Tell me, am I loving you right?
Well, E are back at it again with this brand new single called Love How You Whine.
I love how you whining, slow whining. Girl, you never miss a beat, you always find timing.
Featuring the sexy shape gold triple threat singer Krisha Turner.
tell me your secrets, I'm not messy.
And yes, it is the same Krisha Turner from the King of the Dancehall movie with Nick Cannon.
Ain't another place like this on the
Me plane ticket. The video was actually shot on Miami Beach. Yeah, big up who have passport and visa.
Because some people stuck at Hillshire.
Too bad for you.
I love when you whine for me, girl. Slow whine for me, girl.
So people, just listen to the song and ask yourself, why not on the Billboard charts? Big man thing, K. Canil sang them always lit. It's like him use gasoline and make them. What? Me believe say, the same way how me sang Cheerleader can reach #1 on the Billboard chart, as some feel like, wait, hold on, come like me just get a little vision a while ago. On a pre say, the same way how me did a sing, with one girl where I pose up on a car, at the same way how K. Canil are moving at the video, yeah?
I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Baby, your body's so sexy, you know that I love it.
See there? That's all you need to get a hit song.
You love for me, I wind up your body, and then you wind up on me.
Yes, Krisha Turner, the world love how you wine. So that is Love How You Wine, K. Canil featuring Krisha Turner. Make sure you go check it out. The link is going to be in the description. Run go over on the page and say, I mean, this, I don't know. Watch the video, now enjoy it, yeah. Number 6, Meeting Bolt. Oh my god, boy, when I saw this video, it totally touched me. So this little girl, this young lady is in the hospital and she decided to do a video and dedicate it to her favorite athlete, Usain Bolt.
Hi everyone, how are you? I am a big fan of Usain Bolt. So if Usain Bolt, if you're hearing me right now, I wish I could see you in real life. I'm a very big fan of you. And when you run so fast, it's like something is moving so fast. And how are everybody? And Usain Bolt in the hospital, I'm very ill. So can you put up prayers for me, please? Bye.
Hey Geraldine, it's the same here. I see a video that you sent out. I'm happy to know that I'm your favorite athlete. That you look up to me and all. See that you're sick. Sorry to see that. I know it's your birthday, so I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Hope all the wishes come true. Hope all you get all the presents. Wish you nothing but happiness, man. When I come to Jamaica, I'll see you, alright? So, have a wonderful birthday. Bye.
Alright, big up yourself, triple treble legend, Mr. Usain Bolt. Number 5, the new snow. Me bull a break foot. Oh my gosh. So, me dep on Instagram, me dep on social media, just a mind me own business. I heard saw it. This video with this Caucasian brother. The brother a DJ, but not in English. The brother a DJ in a few patois.
So the thing long, we have Chinese gal who want sing song. 100 gal probably ding dong, they say I'm not man, I get big right now. Motherfucking King Kong. My man thing, I agree, boss on my head. Let me say dog, go stink. Hold my connection, yard man leg but. Cause each and every gal want see me, I get pee like Diddy. Man, I get the killie, the crazy, you know, unpredictable, start act silly.
Number 4, Cardi B, Soca. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot essay. So Cardi B, you know, so the whole world participate in what was this? Then you have crop over, then you have all kind of carnival about the place. I don't know how to remember which one Cardi B did there. But she was at this particular one to enjoy herself and I wind up to some destra. Two box foot. Only while the girl that there enjoy herself and a wine and all of the man them turn up on a pre-up her sexy body, you had a couple bad mind, hating ass ladies in at the back, just a prayer like, Boy, oh boy, Cardi B is not her minding them because as she said, she is her making money moves.
I don't dance now, I make money move.
Number 3, Dexter Drag. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So Dexter Daps is on stage performing with Mr. Donia when at some point he must lose him like a balance and fall over the stage and drop into the thirsty hands of the females. Me say the woman them engulf it and camp it and swallow up Dexter Daps like he was a like a hyena that ended up in the lion's den. All I don't I try bring him back. The woman them have him. Dexter, as of now on, we think you just need to get like some different level security. Number 2, 100 stab. Jesus, Pim. Oh God, so this brother clearly him never hear about Marvin the Beast. He never did a study down on them something here. He her, you know, book up there some. I don't know if this was some little after work jamming at the community and him that they are wine with a little good as. And him the, you know, him give her some, boy, clearly him just come out of prison because Fim stabbed them. It'll go right up in our urethra, fallopian tube, up in our womb, in our cervix, up in our placenta, our no, I mean, they say obnican, lad, I can't even say umbilical cord, Jesus, cord. No, that's how when they pray. Boy, I'm a fool. No, I give up, alright. Foot. You see when him there stab and stab me, only see the girl there, I just relax. And she just a preem. And she set him. So she go bring her friend for put him down on the ground and give him a dancehall queen jump and split type of, you know them dancehall queen Cher and Nikisha type of move there. And you see when the brother get the little wool of rush there, right there and then, the whole MC bag gone in a retirement. Done. Flatline. And number 1 goes to Richie Spice drop. Now people, wanna hear over and over again that I have told it uno that I love to see when people drop. Me just like to see it. Me find a little pleasure in it. Me think there's a low-key evil side to me that just love to see when people just drop a ground. It just give you this natural laughter that comes straight from your foot bottom out through the trachea in your throat. The trachea in your throat? No, I don't remember them something. I left school long time. Box cover. So Richie Spice was on stage performing. When in the middle, him decides that him want to draw closer to the audience, and this piece of drama took it place.
Hey, watch the places you walk, since you walk.
So people out there, if you are watching this, if you see any artist, any popular person that drop, just send me a little video. I am looking forward to it. I am just praying that me don't drop because I do not want to make my own a social media countdown for dropping. Well, that's it, people. Thank you so much for watching another Dutty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Make sure say you hit the thumbs up button down here. So please hit the thumbs up button. Give me a like, and also to leave a comment. Say anything. Leave a comment. And don't forget to tell your family and your loved ones, your friends, to subscribe to the channel because you may take my channel along with a bunch of things. Also, people, if you want to reach out to me via social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow, at TheDuttyBerryShow on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook fan page as well. Big of the people in my Facebook fan page while watch a video here too. Make sure to say subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. And if you want to email me just to tell me something or for promotion within the social media countdown, it is DuttyBerryShow at gmail.com. Alright people, take care until next time. Have a box cover day.